Hey, what's going on? In this video, I'm gonna help you connect your Trust wallet to the Pancakeswap dApp, or decentralized application. You're having this problem because you own an iPhone and you own a Trust wallet and you want to buy some low cap 1000x gems, but you can't do it because iOS disabled the dApp browser. This is the video that's going to help you do it. The Trust wallet Connect did not work for me. I'm not going to get an Android. Okay, so those are two other options that are available for you. This is not that. I want to use my iPhone. I don't want to buy another Android phone. You know what I mean? I'm too spoiled with Apple ecosystem. So I'm going to show you how to do that. My name is Aaron. I'm on a journey to 1 Bitcoin. I'm a brand new crypto investor. I am not your financial advisor. I don't give financial advice. I'm a cowboy and I give cowboy advice, so you can't sue me, okay? I consider myself a cowboy with a little lizard brain, gorilla arms, and diamond hands on my journey exploring the wild west of cryptocurrency. So if you want to join me on that journey, hit the subscribe button down below, hit the notification bell for any updated content, and of course, give me a like button if you want to help me grow this community, grow this channel. That would be amazing, and if you're just a generous person. So basically what happened is the Apple iStore disconnected the dApp portion for the Trust wallet. So here's my Trust wallet. I'm not shy with showing my wallet on this channel. So if you want to see everything that I have, I'm not shy with it. I mean, whatever. But on the bottom here, it used to say browser. It doesn't say that anymore. Okay, you know this as much as I do. Here's the thing. Whenever I tried to look for other options, they all told me this option, and this might work for you. And there are other options, like you could get an Android wallet, or a thing. You could get an Android because that works on Android. And the reason why is because all that finance, Apple wants a piece of that finance. They want a piece of the money that's going through it. And so it goes against their compliance, their terms of compliance or whatever. And so they had to disable it. I mean, Apple wants its piece and they're not getting it. So what other people are doing, and I guess it's working for them, is they go to a browser like Brave or Google or whatever. So I use Brave, but I could go Google too. And you go to Pancakeswap, swap.finance, and this has worked for people. If for whatever reason it has not worked for me, okay, so like if I go to trade on the exchange and then I go ahead and click BNB because I know I got some BNB in there and I'm trying to get some SafeMoon, right? And then I have to connect my wallet, and they say to use Wallet Connect, and then I say, let's see, 0.01, set my slippage up to 12%. Okay, this should work theoretically. I'd be surprised if this works right now. It has never worked for me. Yeah, see, it does stuff like this. It does nonsense like this. I mean, I don't know. Like, I don't know. For whatever reason, it's not working for me this route. If you use the Trust wallet, sorry, if you hit swap, confirm swap, it just takes me, and I can't confirm it. It'll show some other stuff like there's an error or whatever. If you use Wallet Connect, then you use Trust wallet, does not work. However, I have found another way, and the other way is another app, and you have to download this app. So down at the right, it's called Safepal. Okay, if you download Safepal, you go into the App Store, and this will only work for so long until Apple sees this video and they're gonna shut that down. If you hit Safepal right here, 3.5 stars. I was kind of sketched out and using this myself, but someone in the Telegram pointed me to this. So if you haven't joined the Telegram, there's a lot of people with bigger brains than I have a little lizard brain, but there are a lot of big brain people over there, and then you could get this. And so when you get this Safepal app, what it does is you could then here's my Trust wallet now. You could import your Trust wallet into this here. All you have to do is put in the seed phrase that on your Trust wallet. So all you have to do to get that seed phrase is go into your Trust wallet, boop, Trust wallet, settings, wallets, main wallet, and hit the I button here. All right, and then show recovery phrase, and you say I understand the risk, and hit continue. I'm not going to hit continue because you'll see my seed phrase. Anyway, you take that seed phrase and you bring it over to Safepal, and then you import that in Safepal. You just go into the wallets, and then you add a wallet, software wallet, boom, create or import wallet, second option, boom, and then via mnemonic phrase. I'm pretty sure it's mnemonic phrase. And so you could enter your security password or whatever. Yeah. So it's mnemonic mnemonic phrase, and just pop in the seed phrase there. It's so easy. Once that's in, as you can see, here's my trust wallet. Here's 1267. This is the same wallet here. 12. I mean, the conversion rates aren't exactly the same because I think they pull the different values from different sources, or it's updated not the same or whatever, but it's about the same. And you can see everything here. Now, I do like the layout of Trust Wallet better, but because it's not able to bring in the dApp store, I can't use it. So it's the center one over here, and of course, you're just gonna hit Pancakeswap, blammo, and now you can see everything is connected here. So I could just pick a SafeMoon right here, boop, 0.01, boop, boop, swap, confirm swap, and we'll be good to go. Oh, I gotta set my slippage. Okay, yeah, slippage to 12. Okay, boom, boom. Okay, and then yeah, just hit it. My face. Bam, and that's what worked for me. The other stuff didn't work. Okay, the Connect wallet, that nonsense, none of that worked. And so boom, you just saw a smart contract executed. I just bought some SafeMoon for very, I mean it was like 0.04 of a BNB. And so this is what I got. Maybe I could do a quick update on everything. My meme coin portfolio is tanked. It is so bad right now. And I know yours is bad too. Look, you and I are cowboys just trying to make it out here. So of course, like I say, I do practice what I preach. Keep some money in stablecoin. So I have $800 in stablecoin. But of course, my whole portfolio is worth $1,200. So $400. I was up like $6,000 into this portfolio in the bull run. So, I mean, the stable coins or the meme coins right now, it's very tough for them to get out of it. I mean, unless you get the blessing from Elon Musk, you're gonna go there. But if you do want to keep buying these micro cap gems, especially at this market, I mean, you got to understand, like, hey, will this gem be worth something? Will this coin be worth something a year from now? You know what I mean? Like, because I think we're gonna get out of this bear trend, and I think we're gonna hit a bull market again. But you got to ask yourself, hey, is this coin, like say Safe Mars, is this coin going to be worth more in a year from now? And if it doesn't bring serious utility, I don't know. So of course we're going to Safepal. My face, I don't know why I do duck face one more time. So you could just choose here. Safepal is pretty cool because you could go through and you could see some of this stuff. There's a swap inside here as well, so I could swap from my USDT if I'm trying to pop in like max to BNB, which is great. I don't want to do that right now. I want to keep my USDT. So I found that the swap is a lot more forgiving in Safepal than it is in Trust Wallet. And so yeah, I thought I really like Safepal. It's a little clunky, but it's really good. Anyway, if you guys appreciate this video and you're able to now start buying stuff on your iPhone without having to get an Android or whatever, and you're spoiled like I am, you got a little lizard brain, gorilla arms, and diamond hands on your iPhone, yeah, this is the way to do it. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. Hit the subscribe button down below, hit the notification bell for any updated content, and of course give me a like button if you want to help me grow the community. Join the Telegram, links in the description. Anyway guys, lizard brains, I'll talk to you guys soon. See ya.